Hey everyone, thanks for watching the OA Cheddar mini course on Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more information about who OA Cheddar is and where you can find these premium Amazon to Amazon flip leads, click the link below to go to our website or join our Facebook group. Links are in the description below as well as on the video. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey everybody, Taylor here. So in this video, I want to touch on a subject that hopefully doesn't happen too often, but it is going to happen with Amazon flips, and that is dealing with returns. So sometimes you may get an item that is, especially with shoe items, maybe the box is damaged beyond the point of you wanting to send it in, or maybe they sent it in a generic box. And sometimes if it's a clothing item, and you get a clothing item if for some reason is damaged, you're going to need to return it. Now, of course, if the product itself is damaged, that's an easy return. You can get either your money back or exchange it for a replacement. But if it's something like a box and a shoe box that's too damaged and you don't want to send it into FBA, or maybe you're like us and you don't like sending in shoes that are in a generic box, you want the original box, you're going to want to return your product. And so from here's just a random item that I grabbed, and I'm going to go over here and return or replace the item. I'm going to select these boots here. Now, when you're choosing a reason why you are returning, you have a ton of, not a ton, but you have many options that you can choose. You can say the wrong item was sent, item arrived too late, things like that. So here's the thing: when you return items from Amazon, they make that a mark on your account, and what they do is if you return too many items within a year, you could actually lose your privilege to purchase items from Amazon.com. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we try to avoid that at all costs. And the best way that we can figure out how to do that is pay for the shipping to go back to Amazon, which isn't ideal, of course, for your business, but sometimes that's a necessity. And so what we will do is we will select either the item is too small or too large, poor condition or presentation. It's kind of an iffy one. Normally we'll just stick with the sizes. Style not as represented or as expected. That's not maybe another option, or fabric or material not as expected. Basically what you're saying is to Amazon is, hey, I got this item and I'm just not happy with it. There's nothing wrong with the item. It doesn't fit me, or I don't like the way it feels or looks or whatever. So we select that. I don't bother with the comments, and we just send it in, hit continue. And then from here we can continue through and finish out the refund. I'm not going to do that right now just because I actually do like this item and I don't want to replace it or get my money back. But the reason why we send it in that way is if the item is too small or large, Amazon will most likely charge you the shipping cost to send the item back to Amazon. And you're going to want to pay that. You don't want to continually get the free returns, because Amazon may flag your account and remove you from being able to purchase items through your business account, which is going to cost you a lot more money in the long run. Ways to get around this, of course, is you can send the item in a generic box. It isn't against Amazon's terms of service. You just want, for us personally in our business, we just don't do that, and that's really more of a personal thing. It has nothing to do with history or running into experiences. We just don't feel comfortable doing that. So you just want to make sure you're paying for shipping whenever it's possible to return the item. You don't want Amazon to foot that bill, because after too long you might actually get flagged. Of course, the item is damaged or it didn't come in the proper way. That's a different story. Amazon should be paying for that shipping. It's only really if you're choosing to return the item because of normally pretty much it's just the box. Clothing items, things like that, they normally come in just fine. We're gonna turn around and sell those. But like for instance, we had a shoe box came in pretty smashed up, and we, not very good, not really suitable to send into FBA for sale. So we went ahead and returned that, and this is the way that we returned. We just said the item was too large. We paid the $5 in shipping cost to send it back in, and then we moved on. A lot of these items you're making quite a bit of a profit margin and return. So that $5 wasn't the end of the world for us. Now we've only had to deal with it also about 2 times now in the last month and a half, 2 months. So it's not like a humongous issue that comes up all the time, but it might. So I just want to make this video to be helpful for any of you. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative for your Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more about OA Cheddar and the Amazon to Amazon flips that we provide, please click the links below in the description and on this video. There is one for our website as well as one for our Facebook community that you can join. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.